Hey guys, so today's vlog is going to be a little bit different because I've realized I'm not giving you the energy that I should be giving you. Like, guys, I've been feeling a bit like this with YouTube over the past like month or so. Like, even though I said at the start of the year, oh, I'm gonna be coming back better than ever, like, but now I don't know, I'm just so tired. Like, I'm going to work literally every day except Fridays. It is going down to 3 days a week now because we've gone back into the office and everything now. And I'm just like, well, Alicia, YouTube, what's it saying? And I don't want to give up on it. I'm not giving up on it. So I'm going to try and do things in a different perspective. So I'm going to be doing my makeup because I'm running late. I think it's like 7:40 something. And it takes me 35 to 40 minutes to get to the office. So I'm just going to quickly do my makeup. Well, I don't do my makeup like every day, but you know what? I need to be doing makeup for myself, and I am just doing it for myself because I just want to look nice today because I've just been looking rough. Right guys, so just baking under my eyes like quickly. I don't even like leave it under for that long, but I'm just gonna do that because I get creases under my eyes like very often, so I'm just gonna try and leave it for a bit. Right, so yeah, I'm basically ready to go. I don't even know what time it is because I record using my phone still. I need to upgrade to a camera, but camera costs money, and do I have money? Yeah, I need to go. I think it's like 8 something now, and as I said, it takes me 35 to 40 minutes, and sometimes there's a bit of traffic like yesterday where there was an accident, so I had to divert my route and it was just long. So yeah, right, I think I look good. Oh yeah, I look good today. Like some days, you know what I mean, some days just look nice, some days. So I am basically ready to go work now. I think I look kind of cute today. Yeah, I don't look too bad today. Yeah, so about to go work. Let's go. Right. Whew. So I'm in my car. It's, what time is it? 8:09. I'm probably gonna get to work just in time. I'll probably get to work by about 8:50 if I go now. So yeah, let's see. But yeah, today's gonna be very quiet. Like, well, I say that, trust me, when I've got no meetings, the emails roll in. So because I've literally only got 2 meetings today and that's it. But I've got like loads of like admin tasks to do, and yeah, I just need to get all that sorted. And project work, oh my gosh guys, I had a catch-up meeting yesterday about the identity pillar and stuff, and I just told everyone like the plans I've got for certain things. But honestly, I honestly need to get going with that a little bit more. All right then guys, let's go to work before I am even more late. Right, so hi guys, I'm at work now and I'm with Mollie, my great colleague who started with us like a month ago, and Mollie's actually a HR intern, and we're literally just about to go into a people support meeting. But before we go into that, I just wanted to introduce Mollie.
So my name's Mollie. I graduated last November in business management, but I always knew that I wanted to do HR like throughout my 5 years of studying. And yeah, this is my first proper role in HR, and I'm learning the way from Alicia.
Yeah, so I'm just helping Mollie like develop within the company, and yeah, I think we're a good duo. We work well together with our other colleague as well, Meg. I'm just gonna mention Meg. I'm sure she won't mind me mentioning her name. But yeah, like I just thought, let me do something a little bit different on these vlogs because I never show myself at work. So here we are. Hey guys, so I've just got back from work, and literally while I was at work, one of my friends, well, Mollie, that you just saw on the vlog, she said to me that it's pancake day, and I was like, wait, what? I didn't even remember. So I'm actually going to make some pancakes a bit later. I'm just going to have a dinner. I forgot to take my chicken out the freezer. I'm just so annoyed because I wanted to have burrito today, and I forgot to take my seasoned chicken out the freezer, so can't have it now, can I? So I'm just gonna like make some pasta, and then I'm gonna make some pancakes so you can watch me make some pancakes. Hey guys, so it is Thursday today. We've skipped a couple days. So basically I've just finished work now, working from home today, and I was gonna make pancakes on pancake day because it's pancake day on Tuesday. But imagine, I went to Tesco after work, I went to get the golden syrup, I went to get the Nutella, and I was like, yes, I might just make my pancakes. I got back in the house and I looked in the fridge and there was no eggs. Literally the only ingredient missing was eggs. So I was like, oh my God. So I'm going to go now to the shops. I'm just going to get some eggs, and then I'm going to have pancakes later. I'm also going to be cooking some burritos. So I'm going to do like chicken burrito in like some sweet chili sauce kind of thing. So yeah, I'm just going to go get that, and then you can watch me make everything for my dinner today. Guys, so I didn't manage to make any pancakes last night because I was just so full from the burritos. I was like, you know what, let's just leave it to the morning. So today it's Friday morning, I'm working from home, and I'm gonna make some pancakes for breakfast early in the morning. So yeah, let's just go and make them now. So guys, the pancakes that I'm gonna make today are called 1 cup pancakes because I literally just use a cup of milk, a cup of flour, self-raising flour because we're making American pancakes because that's my favorite kind of pancakes, and then 1 egg. Mix it all together, and then that's your batter. But do you guys ever get that first pancake right? Because I never do. It doesn't matter how hot the pan is, the first pancake never seems to turn out right. So I'm gonna heat the pan up right now, but it doesn't matter how long I heat it up for. The first one's just, it's like it's a tester for the rest. Like it's just like, I'll take it for the team kind of thing. So weird. Anyways, yeah, let me just start doing it. Let me start making stuff. So I just flipped it. think it might turn out all right. I've got a hope. I've got a hope for this one. Yes, that's what we like to see. Nah, it looks good. It looks good. See, the first pancake didn't look like that, so I don't know what it is, man. So guys, here's the finished product to my pancakes. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to dig in, man. I cannot wait to dig in. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with my little pancake here, and I think I'm gonna put some Nutella on it if I can open it. Ugh. I'm excited, guys. Woo. Did you look how happy I am? I'm so happy. Wow, I've been looking forward to this day since Tuesday. Got my tea. Wow. This is good. Sorry guys that my head was chopped out of half of that last clip, but I'm ending the video here. Thank you so much for watching. These pancakes are... Yo, I'm gonna have a great day today. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.